Picture this: you have just unboxed your shiny new remote control car, charged the battery, and you are ready for some high-speed action. But then you realize the battery plug does not fit the car socket. It is a common moment of frustration for many enthusiasts. Ensuring your battery and car connectors are compatible is a crucial first step to getting your vehicle running smoothly. Matching remote control car battery connectors simply means making sure the specific plug type on your battery perfectly fits the socket on your remote control car or charger. This involves visually identifying the shape, size, and pin configuration of both connectors so they can securely connect without force or modification. The reason there are so many different connector types in the remote control world boils down to safety, power handling, and manufacturer preference. Different connectors are designed to carry varying amounts of electrical current safely, preventing issues like overheating or short circuits. They also provide a secure physical connection, which is essential for consistent power delivery and to withstand the bumps and vibrations of remote-controlled driving. To correctly match your connectors, first, take a close look at the connector already installed on your remote control car or your charger. Common types include the Dean's T-plug, often recognizable by its flat T-shape, or the cylindrical EC3 and EC5 connectors, named for their current ratings. You might also encounter XT60 or XT90 connectors, which are yellow and have hexagonal pin configurations, or the proprietary red Traxxas connector with its distinct latch. Once you have identified the connector type on your car or charger, you will know exactly what type of connector your battery needs. Always check the battery connector before purchasing to confirm it is the correct match. If your battery and car connectors do not match, you have a couple of options. One common solution is to use a connector adapter, which is a short cable with different connectors on each end, allowing you to bridge the incompatibility. Another option, if you are comfortable with basic electronics, is to carefully solder on a new connector that matches your car. When soldering, always ensure you connect the positive wire to the positive terminal and the negative wire to the negative terminal. This is called maintaining correct polarity, and it is absolutely vital to prevent damage to your battery or car. By taking a moment to correctly match your remote control car battery connectors, you are not just ensuring a snug fit. You are actively protecting your valuable electronics from potential damage, guaranteeing reliable power flow, and, most importantly, setting yourself up for an uninterrupted, thrilling experience with your remote control vehicle every single time.